Hello, it is Sunday, November 12th, 2023. This is a follow-up update on my tool collection that I have again for sale. This is for the whole lot, the lot as a whole, so I'm not willing to separate things or cherry pick items to any potential buyers. Conditions for the sale is either cash, check, or gold bars. Or if you have a piece of property that you want to, take a partial down payment on, I consider this too. So let's try to keep this short and swift. This will be a great setup for someone who's probably had to get out of the trade previously, who's, experienced. So someone has to get out of the trade previously, probably due to financial or medical issues, or even someone coming into the country, Canada here, and that was looking for a nice, good startup, I'd say. Or even someone looking to add to their collection. If you're a bit of an amateur or still getting a feeling for the trade, I wouldn't recommend this whole setup for you. It's way too much. But, so starting off the box here, it's a Snap-on Epic, 68-inch wide and 30 inches deep with the stainless power top. And I'll just do a quick walkthrough. So we'll start at the top here. You have the dual power bank, mind the mess. Stainless top, which has been exposed, but I put I don't know if you can see that in the camera. I have put a PPF film all over it, which is not holding up the greatest. And I will say, this one here, the Veris Edge Pro, is also included. I am willing to sell this one separately with the 21.2 update. I'll try to get that updated soon if I could, but this scanner with obviously all the hookups and the bag and the charger, I'm willing to sell this separately, but everything else will be sold as a whole lot. So I'll just try to go over each drawer, open each drawer slowly, and pan over all the tools, and hopefully you, the viewer, could play it back slowly or even pause at different points and, as I said, see all the details of the item. So my top drawer here will be all my ratchets and sockets, and we'll begin. These are all Mastercraft, so that's a cheap Canadian brand. These are all Snap-on. And we have the A-Tech. Here will be the heavy hitter of the drawer, the A-Tech 300. So it goes up to 300 foot-pounds. I forget what the lowest setting is. We have our Snap-on multi-position ratchet. Mac. Long handle, 3/8. And some various other ratchets here. There's various other sockets here. These are Mastercraft wrenches. Some of them are missing. And we have a oil filter socket set. Never used that yet. I'll put this one back after. This is a junk drawer. This would be another fantastic drawer to have. So you have Snap-on trim clip tools, Snap-on flank drive wrenches, and I also have the long handle version, still brand new. I don't know if that's the camera's picking up on those teeth. So this is a long handle version. This is a junk drawer, but it does have a nice handy little writing tray there. You could move that to any of the drawers. I have a few junk drawers, so I'll just kind of close them really quickly if I need to. My screwdrivers. Measuring tools for brakes. So what happens when you don't research what you buy and you buy things and you end up needing to get a better one. This will be great for rusty rotors, getting around that bridge here. I'll see this one. And their pliers. Just kind of keep that open. So that's another, that was maybe second junk drawer. This is another junk drawer. So these two drawers here are similar to this top one here. So it's just like your little 2-incher drawer for stuff. So these two are similar. They have nothing of value in them. And this will be the power drawer. So now let's cut the camera this way. In case you're wondering, yes, this is a CT9080. You have to get the camera on that. I'll just put it up here. This is a CT9080. Comes with the battery and charger, or dual charger, I would say. Got your Milwaukee 3/8 drive, M12. And yes, this is a TikTok pliers that Snap-on has in green. We have two of these. This is the quick adjust, and this will just be a standard pliers. Move that bag real quick. Various Mac tool pliers. Let me know if you need the measurements for any of these drawers, so I could let you know the details later on. I have a 76-piece tap and die set. Is missing a few items. It's missing one. I have it out. Just I have it out in another drawer. I was waiting for a guy to kind of warranty it. It's all complete. And yes, we got the Snap-on thread chaser kit. Complete. Use this a couple times. And the Mac tool triple square for your VWs, Audis. There's various trays. I forget the brand of this one, but it's just a Wi-Fi camera. Snap-on Freon sniffer. This right here is just another junk drawer. It's bottom drawer left, semi-deep. And a cheap Amazon coolant pressure tester vacuum refiller kit. I said this is a cheap Astro, I think it was Astro Pneumatic Amazon brand. Let's open it up again. So you have all your adapters for import, or your standard adapters, and you also have all these off-brand coolant reservoir bottle adapters. This will be the heavy hitter. I might just make another video for this one. We'll see how far this one goes. If the video cuts out, then yeah, there'll be a second part to this. So we got a Mac. I think this is my O2 sensor socket set. Yep. We got a brake caliper retractor set. There's more to this. I have it all in my cart here. That's for all the stuff I use often. Go them one by one. This is a hard to use Mac Tools Master Bolts grip set. And the Mac fuel line fitting disconnect set. Get a snap-on compression tester. Cheap Amazon, highly modified harmonic balance puller. This was a freebie. This was just a snap-on bit set. Mac Tools inner tie rod sleeve kit. For all you old school guys. That's just miscellaneous junk. I won't get into that yet. I won't get into that period, actually. And this was also a nice kit. Mac Tools O2 sensor socket set. Great for all your Nissans, BMWs. You have the 9/16 and also 14mm for a little bit difference between the BMWs and the Nissans. Okay. I have a minute left before my camera cuts out. So yeah. So yeah, that's the video. As I said, the price will be listed in the ad. Feel free to make an offer. Like I said, the only thing I'm willing to sell separately is the scanner. Comes with a bag, charger obviously, and the OBD and the wireless OBD2 dongle. But other than that, it's cash, check, gold, or even a down payment on the property, whatever floats your boat. All right, take care. See you in the next one. Peace.